Okay, so now we're converting from exponential to logarithmic form. So this time we're starting with b, let's see, b to the power of y equals x, and we want to convert it to log base b of x equals y. So you start at the base, you go over here and pick up the argument, and it's going to equal the exponent. So it's a way to bring the exponent down so you can work with it algebraically. Okay, so this first one, here's my base 2, so it's going to be log. We write out log, then you have to make this a subscript 2. Then we come over here and get the argument, which is going to be 8 this time. Now that 8 should be in line with the log. It's not a superscript, it's just like a regular plain 8. Also, it is not attached to the 2. It's not like an exponent on the 2. Sometimes students get confused on that. And then that's going to equal the exponent 3. So there it is in logarithm form. Just a note, they don't always put those parentheses. I think it's nice if they do because it kind of separates the base from the argument. And sometimes our argument is a little more involved than just a number. So, you know, sometimes you have to have the parentheses, but I don't think it's a bad habit to put the parentheses in. I'm just telling you, in other textbooks and other places, you might see it without the parentheses. All right, so now we're going to do this next one. The base is 5. We're going to write it, it's in exponential form. We're going to write it in logarithmic form. So log base 5, and then we come over here to get the argument, 25, equals, and then we go and we get that exponent, 2. And again, these statements are true. We don't have any variables going on in any of these statements so far. Later we will. Okay, one more. So we're going to write it in logarithmic form, log base 10, and then we come over here to get the argument, and I would just write it 1 over 10,000 equals, and then it's going to be -4. Now we're going to talk more about log base 10, but that's in another video. Okay? So all we're doing here is we're converting from exponential to logarithmic form.